Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or insert image on a Google Sheet. So in order to do that, you can open Google Sheet on your Google Chrome or Chrome browser. Don't forget to sign in into your account, into your Google account, and you can find Google Sheets in here. You can click it. And for practicing, you can click blank spreadsheet, and here we go. In order to insert image or add image into your document, you can see there is some option at the top of your screen. You can just click insert and choose image and insert an image in the cell or insert an image over the cells. And also you can right click. You can insert link here, or you can insert cell, shift right or shift down. So here let's try to insert the image first. Now click on insert an image in the cell and choose or browse file here. And done. So wait for process. Now you can copy the image if you need to more than one on the cell, in the cell. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.